Ayan, i-video ko lang itong aking humidifier. Natutuwa ako. Mas gusto kong i-video to kesa mag-noon break. It's 3:30 in the afternoon. Time to take at least a cup of milk or a cup of coffee. But I prefer to do this because I am enjoying the scent of this bamboo essential oil, and I really love to see the changing colors of this TEEDA unit, the humidifier. I'd like to see the blue, the green, and I am enjoying the scent and then the coolness it brings. Okay, it has 3 colors actually. This is very cheap and affordable now. Before it's over 1,000, then 817. Now it's 417 or 839 by one take one, including the delivery. Okay, so my son gave it to me, including this oil. Thank you, anak. I really love this bamboo. I've consumed already the bigger bottle you bought for me before at North SM. But this one came from LAZADA. I just don't know how much it costs because it was just given to me. But for this humidifier, the cost is 839, including delivery. It was delivered in same color white, but actually it has these colors but out of stocks. Anyway, white is cool to the eyes. White is clean. Okay, that's now blue and green. Wow, I really love the color. Okay, I'm using this if the aircon is on. Okay, at least I have an alternative to my Himalayan lamp. Himalayan lamp is also very good. Very beneficial to health. Okay. It can make you feel relaxed during sleeping time. Thank you. There's a yellow, green. I'm waiting to change the color. Alright, it's now pink and red. Ooh, I love it. Thank you.